Hi everybody and welcome to our video oil news. My name is Fabrizio Micheli and I'm a sales area manager here in PIUSI since 2010. Today we're gonna focus our attention on some of our AC pump for diesel fuel. As you know, pumping fluids is at the core of our company and we have been developing fluid handling equipment since our foundation back in 1953. All the AC pumps we have here are self-priming, volumetric, rotating electrical vane pump equipped with an integrated bypass valve. Starting from here, you can find one of our very first products, the iconic Panther AC. If you need a compact but sturdy pump to transfer diesel fuel, the Panther AC is the perfect equipment. Its continuous duty cycle, except for the Panther 90, allows the pump to perfectly operate in every condition, with an IP55 grade of protection. It's available in 3 different versions, 56, 72 and 90 liters per minute flow rate, and it is the ideal pump for refueling a small and medium-sized vehicle fleet to fill up storage fuel tanks, and for all those operations where quickness is required. The Panther pumps equip the cube range of compact fuel dispensers as well. Now let's have a look on the PIUSI E range starting from these two models here, the E80 and E120. They are volumetric, self-priming vane pump for diesel transfer with a compact design and high flow rate performance with a nominal capacity of 80 and 120 liters per minute. Compared to the Panther AC, the E80 and E120 work at a lower RPM, assuring a long-lasting performance. These features make them the most suitable pump to transfer large amount of fuel for vehicles fleet of any size. The E80 and E120 pumps equip the self-service range of floor-standing diesel dispensers. Both the Panther and the E80 E120 are available single or 3-phase motors in different voltages as well. This heavy-duty and sturdy pump here is the new PIUSI E140. 18 kilograms of compact design, long-lasting and super high flow performance with a nominal capacity of 140 liters per minute. As the previous ones, E140 is a volumetric self-priming vane pump for diesel transfer that can be used in an operating temperature range from -20 up to 60 degrees centigrade. The main feature that makes this pump unique is the low pressure drop that guarantees high flow rate in every condition. And to complete the PIUSI E range, let's see here the E300, which is not a vane but an open impeller electrical pump. With a flow rate of 550 liters per minute, this pump is the ideal equipment for transferring a huge amount of fuel from all kinds of tanks. So, what are you waiting for? Get in touch with your local dealer or with PIUSI to get your AC pump range. And remember that a good pump is the heart of a fuel transfer system. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon. Ciao!